What is up, YouTube? Justin here. We have a big update on the red LSV Tech swap Civic. We went and changed the oil on it, and come to find out we had metal in the oil. So we are going to tear down the motor. This video was part of the videos we lost on the memory card, so we're doing another update. So this was actually already filmed, and then we lost the footage. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and show you where we are with the car right now. We actually have the car, engine is completely out of the car. There's nothing left in it. We're going to eliminate some stuff, clean some stuff up. We didn't like what they did with some stuff. And matter of fact, here's one thing. They put a lug nut on a motor mount bolt, and I don't even think that's the motor mount bolt. You know what I mean? So they put this, if you guys can see it there, to hold the engine in. You know, I mean, it's just stuff like that is what we're trying to fix. They broke a bolt off in the cam. They're missing a cam cap bolt. You know, stuff like that hurts a motor over time. So we checked all that. There's no unusual wear in the cams, thank goodness. So here's the engine. We've tore down the head, took the head off. There is no scoring at all in any of the cylinders. The cylinders are perfect. So they're a good candidate to just get honed with new pistons and rods and new rings. We got new ARP race bolts, new Cometic head gasket. We got a lot of new stuff to put in here. And once we get done with this, we're going to tear this the rest of the way down, and we're going to show it to you guys. So please stick tuned. There'll be a video coming out very shortly on this engine, and this will be the new motor for the 500 horsepower B-Series LSV Tech Civic. So stay tuned, guys.